Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, everybody. Most welcome in this English class. Children, today we have to learn about voice conversion of past perfect tense. You all are ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Then come to the point. A structure needed for changing sentences of past perfect tense is as under. Object is changed into subject. Then had been is used. Then third form of verb is used. Thereafter by is used, and finally subject is changed into object. To clarify this structure, we go through two examples. First example is I had written the letter. Here the word the letter is as an object of this sentence, but in case of passive it is changed into subject. So in passive form, the letter had been written by me. So we can tally this passive form with this given structure. The letter has been derived from object of this given sentence of past perfect tense. Thus, object has been changed as a subject. Thereafter, had been, and then third form of verb, then by, and finally subject has been changed into object. So it is quite clear how to use this given structure in case of PC. Now a question arises for Hindi learners. What is the Hindi meaning of this very sentence and what is the Hindi meaning of this very sentence? I had written the letter means मैंने पत्र लिखा था या मैं पत्र लिख चुका था. And in passive, its Hindi meaning is मेरे द्वारा पत्र लिखा जा चुका था. We will clear this very idea again with the help of another example. That is example second. I had informed Ram. In Hindi it means मैंने राम को सूचित किया था. You can watch. I is here. I is a subject. Had is a helping verb, and informed is third form of verb, and Ram is as an object. And this sentence has been based as per the structure of past perfect tense. And in case of passive voice, the subject, this subject is changed as an object, and object is changed as a subject on the basis of this very described structure. So the passive form becomes Ram had been informed by me. Now see the Hindi meaning of both the sentence. I had informed Ram means मैंने राम को सूचित किया था, and Ram had been informed by me means राम मेरे द्वारा सूचित किया गया था. In this way, the idea becomes clear with the help of these two given examples, and we learn how to use this given structure or prescribed structure in case of passive voice. So now you have to practice it at home. Your question as a homework will be change given sentences into passive voice form. First sentence is somebody had invited me. Second one is Corona had challenged the mask. Third sentence is we had researched the remedy. Fourth sentence is media had alarmed us. Fifth sentence is you had visited the site. You must change it and get the site so that you can learn all the possible conversion of past tense. I think it will help you a lot in changing optimum number of sentences described in your syllabus. Thank you very much.
Thank you.